Hi, this is Dan. I bought this 10M Prodex Insulation Plus from Insulations for Less. I also bought the vinyl reflective tape with it. I'm putting this up underneath of the existing sheeting on my new metal building because I didn't want it on the top. The channel up here gives it at least about 1.5 inches dead air space, so it actually gives this insulation an R22 value. I cut these to the width that I needed. I melted the seams together like it says to do with the heat gun. I put the tape on it, and I did buy these plastic kind of washers to help hold this up. All I have to do is screw this up through the metal struts across here. It holds it up in place, and so far it's been a real ease to put up, and I'm really happy with it. I think it's going to do a really good job for this building.